I finally got this webcam that I've been longing to get for a while, and this is the Logitech C922 Pro HD Stream webcam. And I've not used the webcam for the first time, so I'm going to get to unbox it and know what is inside and also how to fix it, and I get to compare it with my camera on my laptop, so we can see the difference between the webcam and then the inbuilt laptop camera. So come with me. So these are basically the things you're going to get from inside this package. You have your webcam here, then you have the tripod stand, and then the manual, right? Small tripod. It looks so beautiful. Okay, so I think it should be like this, and then the webcam has a kind of knot here and then to be fixed here, just like this. I guess just create and fix. I don't want it to get fixed permanently, so just get a fix this way. So this can be used either on a tripod or directly from the laptop. If you want to set up the webcam on the laptop, so make sure you connect the USB to the ports, to the laptop port that is working. Okay, so like this port of my laptop is not working, so I have to make use of this port that is working. It's very important, because if you connect it to the ones that is not working, it's not going to show. So when you connect it, you have to open it this way and then just clock it on the laptop and place it. Exactly, so it actually blinked lights. That makes it show that it's connected. You see that? So when it's connected, it has to blink light here. So I'm going to text it now on Zoom. Okay, so here on Zoom, this is my normal camera. There's a laptop camera. Then let me switch up to the webcam camera and see how it's going to be. I think this is so much better. Plus, I think there's a lot of lighting coming out from here. So has a better resolution, brightness, and then the sharpness, and then the resolution is quite different. Yes, so there's a great difference. And then because of the reflection from the window, I think that's why the lightning is not really in right proportion. So this is how you can easily set up your Logitech camera on your laptop. And as you can see from the video, you can see the difference between it and then the most normal laptop camera, because most times the integrated camera from the laptop doesn't really, they're also blurry and they're not sharp enough for videos. So with the use of this webcam, I think it gives you a lot more brightness, and then it helps you with really a good video. So I hope this helps you when you want to set up your own Logitech. See you in the next video. Bye.